Hi guys! Today we will learn high-end frequency separation retouching in Photoshop. We opened photo, for example this portrait. Now we will separate the photo into 3 layers. One with the details, second with just the colors, which is the basis of frequency separation, and additional layer for extra smoothness. Use Ctrl+J to create 3 layers. And call them color, blur and details. Then we will edit those layers separately, which will allow us to interact with only those elements of the face which we need to repair without disturbing other elements. First of all, color layer. Gaussian blur filter to eliminate texture. Keep only colors. Next layer. We will blur it extremely to eliminate all the middle-sized spots on the skin. And last layer, details. High pass filter and linear light blending mode. This way we get layer only with details, without color information. Switch off blur layer. We will use it later. Select all new layers and group them by Ctrl+G. And we are ready to retouch. First step, fixing skin texture on the details layer. Select Healing Brush tool. Keep Alt key and select sample with right texture. Then apply it on place with defect. Repeat it for all the face. Don't try to fix larger color spots. We will do it later. Finally, our details layer is perfect. Next step, color imperfections. Switch on our additional blur layer and create mask keeping Alt key. Select brush tool, choose size and opacity. And paint on forehead, nose, cheeks and chin. As you can see, we get smoother colors in these places and fix some spots. Check result. Next step, you want to remove dark circles beneath the eye. Create new empty layer, but you don't want to remove skin texture or the wrinkles, which make the smile. Using frequency separation, you can target only the dark circle. Select eyedropper tool and select color lighter than dark circle. OK, we have new color. Select brush tool and paint on the dark circle. Check result. Okay, we learned how to make the skin naturally smooth and remove scars if your image or subject has some irritating texture. This method is one of the most professionally used methods of high-end skin retouching. In this world of retouching business, you need to keep one thing in mind. You want the skin to be smoother, but not completely devoid of texture. The goal is not to turn an old man into a younger one. You need to keep the old mature and keep the young younger and healthier, not transforming them into dolls of perfection. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.